Hey Venture fam! We've got a day of tubing uploaded for you. It was Peter's birthday the other day, so we had an awesome day out on the river.
Happy birthday, Peta.
Thank you.
We won't hold you up any longer. Hope you enjoy a day on the river with us. So, we're heading out on our tubing mission at the moment. We've got the tubes loaded in the back. We've got Peter driving. This is our learners. Say hello, Peter.
Hey.
And we're just passing through, or we're about to pass through the Black Mountains. As you can see, tubes are loaded and Peter's psyched for her birthday.
Yeah!
This is the Black Mountains, just outside of Cooktown. So it's about halfway to where we're going to go tubing. It's got a huge amount of significance to the local Aboriginal people. It's a set of mountains that are all granite boulders. There's no soil and they're a really interesting backdrop.
It's going to be stormy and we're heading off to our rendezvous point to pick up the other car and then head up to the place where we're going to drop in and tube down the river. So that's pretty exciting. Yeah, it's
Yeah, on Black Mountain.
absolutely beautiful.
Seems the rain dropping on Black Mountain. So
Really funky. Cool. Now it's raining. Yeah, we're all together now. We've picked up the second car. We're all together, ready to go. We're all psyched, yeah? Awesome. How beautiful is this place? Absolutely. We are in Far North Queensland. Whoa, 1, 2. Woo. He's coming! I'm stuck in an eddy! Woo! Are you coming? Come on, guys! Let's do this! Parents are more adventurous these days. I don't know what it is about kids. Come on, guys! We'll leave you behind! Woo! Yeah. Yeah.
I'm gonna hit a log. You right, Mum? I believe that's what you call brainwave dedication. You're gonna hit a rock sick there, Brandon. You're right, bub. Good girl. You're all good. You go. Here, come here, give me your arm. Bruce, yeah. Yep, kick off. Rightio. Now I gotta try and get out of here.
Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's alright, Granny. I have brain worms for you. Samboy is so not so Smith is so not sponsoring us. Okay, baby, okay.
You're meant to lay back and sit in it.
I tried. No, Dad, I'm being sucked away. Why did this happen to me?
Why you gotta be so cruel? I'm not rude. Hey, I can play that game better. Hey, how you doing? Oh no, that didn't look good. Ryan, keep your bum up. Bum up. Are you alright? Just gotta do some limbo. This way, paddle this way. This way. Are you ready? Okay. Bum up! Hey! No, gonna have to go around. Go, Mummy. Do it, Ronnie, do it. Oh, good
Where's Peter? We're like backed up. Alright, let's get out of here. How was that? Woo! Here comes Ryan. I could hear her screaming all the way before. Sweethearts, look at that. Woo! And where are we? We're in the jungle, man. In the jungle. In the jungle in Far North Queensland. So we've just come out of the river. The kids have taken all their stuff off instantaneously and fell to the ground, falling asleep. So we're all pretty hungry and tired, as you can see. So we're gonna pack up and head home. See ya. That was fun. Bye.
What a great day. Good idea, Peter. We hope you guys had as much fun watching this video as we did making it.
Hey guys, I'd also like to give a big shout out to our very first subscriber, Promise to Fire.
Well done, buddy.
At the moment, Lake Tinaroo is at 69%. Our next ski trip is less than 3 weeks away. Make sure you keep an eye out on our channel for our next uploads. Wakeboarding, water skiing and much more.
I can't wait. But before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit that big red subscribe button so you can be a part of the Venture Fam. Bye now!